Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 7. I hope that you are all fit and fine. And my all prayers always with you. Now, today our topic, our lesson same one. And now today we solve exercises. So please be careful, listen to my lecture and be concentrate. Now let's begin our work. Start now. I hope that everybody is ready to start. So exercise number A, या first. Exercise number A. Sorry. Exercise number A. Give short answers to these questions. First, was the mouse deer small? Was the small? Answer Janan. Yes. He has. No, he was. Yes. He was. Yeah, no. He was not. Yeah, yes, he did. Yeah. Yes, he did. Okay. Now, was the mouse deer small? Was the mouse deer small? Answer. Yes, he was. Mouse deer was a small. Yes. Short answers. He was. Second, was he strong? Was he strong? Was he strong? Was he strong? Yes or no? Do you know? It's okay. Answer. No, he was not. No, he was not. Number third. Was he slow? Was he slow? No, because he was quick. No, he was not. No, he was not. Yeah, full form beta. No, he was not. Okay. Number 4. Was he clever? Was he clever? Was he clever? No. Yes, he was clever. Yes, he was clever. Yeah, yes, he was. Yes, he was. Number 5. Question number 5. Okay. Were the leaves? Were the leaves really royal food? Royal food. Can you give me an answer? No? No? They were not. And other short answers you will find. Exercise number B. Which of these sentences are true? True, and which are false? False. First, many countries have stories. Many countries have stories. Many countries have stories like the mouse deer story. Mouse deer story. Which sentence? This sentence true or false? You read lesson first. True. True. Now number second, the mouse deer story is the mouse deer story is read in Pakistan only. Is read in Pakistan only. True or false? Do you know? True or false? False. Not a true. False. Number third. Beta. In this story you have just read. The tiger was strong but stupid. In the story you have just read. In the story you have just read. The tiger was strong. The tiger was strong but stupid. Was strong but stupid. True or false? No. True. Now, number 4. The mouse deer was quick, clever and brave. The mouse deer was quick, clever and brave. The mouse deer was five, 3, 4. The mouse now the mouse deer was quick, clever and brave. False. Number 5. The tiger was greedy. The tiger was greedy. True. Okay. Now use these words. Page number 2 beta. You use these words to finish the sentences. You may use the words more than once and you may have changed the form of the words. You may use the words more than once. हिक दफ़े खां वधीक इस्तेमाल करे था सघो. एंड यू मे चेंज द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड्स. ऐं वर्ड्स जो फॉर्म तव्हां हालत, कंडीशन, सिचुएशन चेंज करे था सघो. नाउ नंबर 1 आउटविट तमामु वॾो ज़हानत सां मग़लूब करणु. एंड परस्यूट राज़ी करणु. पास चंबो. बिहेव बर्ताव. रेप्ट वेरल. रेज स्पेशली ख़ासि करे. स्क्रीम्ड रड़ कंदे. बिलो रॉयल काम ख़ामोश. शहनशाही स्ट्रक मारियो. एंड नाउ टू डैश someone is to be cleverer. These words fill in the blank spaces. These words fill in the blank spaces. You use the words more than once. You use the words more than once. To dash someone is to be clever, cleverer. Clever is adjective. Cleverer, degree of an adjective. Which degree of an adjective? Comparative degree. Comparison between two things. Comparative degree. Comparison between two things. Now, to dash someone is to be cleverer than he is, and to play a trick upon him. In the story, the mouse did dash the tiger 3 times. To outwit someone is to be cleverer than he is, and to play a trick upon him. In the story, the mouse did outwit the tiger 3 times. Number second, he likes all kinds of fruit. He likes all kinds of fruit. Dash oranges, especially oranges. Now number third, a brick ain't better. A brick fell from the house, and dash on his head. पुट हिक सिर का भी शित मां कंहिंजे मथां किरे थी त छा थो थिए बाबा ॿुधो. A brick fell from the house and struck him a blows on his head. Blows, B-L-O-W, and blow on his head, blows. Number 4, when the snake bit her, bit means to bit. When the snake bit her, she dashed until someone came to help one. बाबा पुट listen, जेकॾहिं का बि शइ चक पाईंदी आहे, इज़ा ईंदो आहे त माण्हूअ खां रड़ निकरी वेंदी है. बेटा जब कोई चीज़ काटती है तो चीखें निकलती है. तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में कह रहा है when the snake bit her, she screamed until someone came to her to help her. Now number 5, my father says that I cannot go to the cinema tonight, but I will try to dash him to let me go. My father says that I can't go to the cinema. मुझो पीउ यानी मुझो वालिद चवे थो त I can't go to the cinema tonight. रात जो मां नथो वञी सघां या नथी वञी सघां सिनेमा ते. But पर I will try to, पर मां कोशिश करे रहियो आहियां, कोशिश कंदुसि. To dash him to let me go, to pursue him, राज़ी करण जी त मूंखे वञण ॾिए. Pursued, to pursued, P-E-R-S-U-A-D-E. Now number 6, a policeman never becomes excited. A policeman never becomes excited. He keeps dash at all times. He keeps dash at all times. Means that a policeman never becomes excited. माना एक पुलिस वारो कॾहिं बि पुरजोश नथो थिए. He keeps, he रखे थो dash at all times. छा थो रखे all times पंहिंजो पाण खे? calm बेटा, C-A-L-M-L silent, calm, C-A-L-M, calm, खामोश. Now number 7, he dashed the parcel in strong brown paper. He dashed the parcel in a strong and brown paper. He wrapped the parcel in a strong, हिन पार्सल के तोहफ़े के मजबूतीअ में वेड़ियो. ब्राउन पेपर, कहिड़े पेपर में? नासी पेपर में, पने में. Number 8, the dog could not walk very well. The dog could not walk very well because it had cut one of its paw. Jumbo beta, paw. Number 9. I hope that you will dash well. You will dash well while I am away, said the teacher. उस्ताद चवे तो मूंखे उम्मीद आहे त तव्हां छा कंदो सुठो कंदो while I am away जॾहिं मां परे वेंदसि. मीन्स से छा करणो हूंदो आहे स्टूडेंट behave वर्ता सलूक. Now I hope that you will behave well. You will behave well while I am away, said the teacher. Now number 10. The king is coming to this town soon. The king is coming to this town soon, but the date of the dash visit has not been decided yet. Royal. Now number 11. The dog jumped at robber with a dash of dash, grovel of dash rage. What beta? The dog jumped at the robber. The dog jumped at the robber with a dash of dash, grovel of rage. Now how many kinds of an article? Two different kinds. Two different kinds of an article. Second, which are they? They are first, indefinite article, and second, definite article. Right. A, an, and the. So page number 3. Put language structure oral or written. Now we will tell you orally. Put a, an or the in the blank spaces. If nothing is needed, leave the space empty. Number first, she bought dash banana. She bought dash. First to put exercise. Put a, an or the. So now she bought dash banana, dash apple and dash orange. Listen beta. She bought dash banana, dash apple and dash orange. She bought a banana. We use which article? A banana. A banana. Dash apple. Apple sound vowel. So we use an apple, and apple is singular, only one apple. She bought a banana, an apple and an orange. But the banana was rotten. Particular identification beta. The banana was rotten and the apple and the orange were very small. Now number second, I will give you dash pencil. I will give you dash pencil, a pencil, and dash piece of paper, a piece of paper, but the pencil is broken. Okay. Now number third, my sister plays dash piano, a piano. My sister plays dash piano, a piano. Do you play dash instrument? Do you play dash instrument? So we use which article? N. Do you play an instrument? Now number 4. I had dash egg, an egg, and dash cup of coffee, and dash cup of coffee, a cup of coffee for the breakfast this morning. Not in, no, for the breakfast. For the breakfast this morning, but the coffee was cold. Number 5. There was dash spider, a spider on the ceiling. It was trying to catch an insect, but the insect was too quick and the spider did not catch it. And the remaining other sentence you will find on. Now exercise number B beta, page number 4. Page number 4. Finish the sentences if the word is countable. If the word is countable. And in grammatically, two major groups of noun. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, do you know what is the meaning of countable noun? No. Okay, don't you worry. Countable nouns, those things we can count it. We can count it. And uncountable noun, we cannot count it. So now, if the word is countable, add s and use or. If the word is uncountable, use is and do not add n s. Use it or them in the other spaces. Means rice. Rice is cheap. Everybody eats it. Pencils. Rice is uncountable, right? Pencils are countable, right? Pencils are useful. You can buy them. Pencils we use them, not it. Ice is cold. Ice is uncountable. Yes. Ice is cold. We put it in drinks. Flowers are beautiful. We put them in vases. Bread. Bread is made from flour. It is made by a baker. Shoes are often made the leather. We buy them in shops. Leather is often used to make shoes. It is very strong. Now exercise number C beta. Change the sentences into plural. Change the sentences into plural. Change the sentences into now change the sentences into plural. Now, a butcher sells meat. Now beta, this sentence is plural. Why? Because a butcher means kasai, hikdo. तो sells food and rule of present simple tense. If the doer of work is a singular, we use in verb SRES. So now a butcher is only one man. So sell is a first form of verb. So use S. A butcher sells meat. Now change into plural. Butchers sells change into sell meat. Okay. Now number second. A fisherman catches fish. Now change into plural. A fisherman. Man, M-A-N means only one person. Now change into plural. Fisherman catches, change into catch fish. Right. Number C. A student goes to school. A student goes to school. Change into plural. A student means only one student. Go is the first form of verb. Do you know? Yes, go is the first form of verb. We add es. Why we add SRES? Because in grammatical use, in present simple tense, if the doer of work is singular, we add in verb. If the doer of work is singular, only one, so we add in verb. First form of verb we add SRES. So now in this sentence, a student means only one student. A student goes. Why goes? Because a student is a singular. In grammatical rule, in present simple tense, we use if the doer of work is singular, we add in first form of verb SRES. So go, we add goes. A student goes to school. Now change into plural. Students go. Goes change into go. Go to school. Go to school. Now a cooks food. A cooked food. A postman delivers letters. Postman in Sindhi we say tapali. Which profession of postman? He delivers letters and parcels. Which profession of postman? He delivers parcels or letters. A postman delivers letters. A postman delivers letters. A postman, man only one person, and a plural men, more than one, more than one person, right? So now a postman delivers letters. Change into plural. Postman, men, postman deliver letters. Okay. Now number, a mechanic looks after engines. A mechanic looks after engines. A mechanics only we add s. Mechanics look after engines. A tailor makes clothes. A tailor makes clothes. Tailors make clothes. A pilot flies an aeroplane. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Pilots fly an aeroplane. Now change these sentences into singular. Change these sentences into singular. Now change the sentences into singular. First, bakers bake bread. Bakers bake bread. Bread. This sentence is plural. This sentence is plural. Now bakers, change into singular. Bakers, more than one, singular. Baker. And grammatically rule, if grammatical ruler, the doer of work is plural, we write only first form of verb. If the doer of work is singular, we add in first form of verb SRES. Baker bakes bread, right? Number second, fruit sellers sell fruit. Fruit sellers sell fruit, right? Now change into singular. Fruit sellers, only one thing change, and add res. Fruit sellers change into seller. Fruit seller sells. fruit. Right? Okay. Now number 3rd, carpenters make things. Carpenters make things. Change into singular. A carpenter makes things. A carpenter makes things. Now in beta listen, page number 5. Page number 5. Make up questions and answers about the pictures on page 4 like this. You will read on and solve this exercise yourself. Now today our work, our topic finished. Inshallah tomorrow I will see you. I will meet you new lesson. So thank you so much and God bless you.